So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download Microsoft Visual C++. There's going to be two downloads, one for x86 and one for x64. We're going to download both of them. So you want to click on both of them and it's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And now once they've been downloaded, you want to right click on one of them and then click on show in folder. We should now be in our downloads folder with both the downloads. And we're now going to install both of these one by one. I'm going to start with the first one on my list. It's going to be x64. I'm going to double click on it. And now once this comes up, you want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, we can now close out of this. I'm now going to install the other one. It's going to be x86. I'm going to double click on it. And now this will come up. You want to tick the box, I agree, and then click on install. And then click on yes. It's now going to start installing. And then once that's been done, we can now close out of this. And now for the last step, you want to restart your computer. And then the problem should be fixed.